welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Faith, and what we do normally is talk about perfumes, but this time around I'm just gonna be showing you an intimate wedding celebration of my friend and Abu. If that makes any sense. So subscribe so you see more good content. So this is me here trying to hitch a ride to the island because I just can't drive myself that far. I'm just scared of Nigerian or Lagosians, like Lagos drivers. So I had to join someone. I don't have the liver. If you're like me, let me know in the comments. Are you still scared of the road? You know, I need to know. Okay, so I just got to the ferry, Lagos ferry station. You'll be so surprised how beautiful Lagos is. If you don't know so much, you'll be like, you would not even know that they are really good places. This place is so serene. It's somewhere I would definitely come back to. You thought I left you? Nah, I'm still here with you. So before we got on the boat cruise, I'm sure a lot of people are here because of the Banana Island on the title. Before we got on the boat cruise anyway, we had some photo shoots. We had like a good time just taking loads of pictures. The photographer is somewhere in this video, I don't know. So it's just a boat cruise. It's just a party of like 7 or 8 people coming to celebrate Tutu and Rotimi. So we are heading into the boat. So yeah.
What's the speaker name? Name of the speaker? Is he on pairing mode?
Only one.
So after all the pictures and all, we just had drinks, we had small chops, we had music as well, but I couldn't let the music play because of YouTube copyrights and all. So just enjoy okay. Okay, so we're heading towards the Lekki Bridge and afterwards going further close to Banana Island. Oh boy, this is the closest we got to Banana Island though. This is the closest we got. Because of security reasons, the rider did not even want to stress himself. So this is the closest we got to Banana Island. So we are heading back. We're going to Tarkwa Bay now. Tarkwa Bay is a very nice place. But before then, cheers to the couple.
Let's invite the couple. And Mrs.
So we're now at Tarkwa Bay. So I was really excited to be here because I've heard so much about this place, and I've seen pictures, but I just never came. So this was my opportunity to be here. I loved the place, but then I learned some things about the people that used to live there, that the government had to chase them out so that they can retain the place as a tourist attraction. I don't know how true that is, but then it gets you thinking and thankful for, the life that we have. Not to get so deep, just watch some more pictures. Like, comment, subscribe. That's what my brother said I should tell you people. Now that I've gotten to the end of my video. Anyway, this is the closing remark for the couple.
Husband and really appreciate all of you, and we say God bless you.
Amen.
All your desires and prayers shall be granted.
Amen.
Beyond that, we have more cause to celebrate each other
Yes,
from time
so-
to time.
yes,
From
so-
this moment henceforth, no bad news in anyone's house. Everything